So we are at Overland Expo Pacific Northwest in the tripod torch, and we have Jake. Jake, if you could walk us through what you have here today.
Yeah, so this is tripod torch. It's the warmest, smallest campfire out there. Smallest because it packs down into this bag. Everything but the propane fits in this canvas roll top bag. It'll fit just about anywhere. You can throw it under your seat, and you always have your fire pit with you. It's the warmest because we utilize a patent pending vertical burner. Unlike every other fire pit, our fire goes out instead of up. So you feel the heat around it instead of just above it. We call it heat to your seat. So you can feel that heat going all the way around. This is on kind of a medium-low setting. You can get a nice big fire out of it. We find that you don't need a very big flame, so you're using a lot less propane. Use between ½ a pound and a pound an hour, and you still stay nice and warm. It's all stainless steel. It comes with 3 plates. I have the one installed here because of the wind coming through. That's breaking up that wind and allowing the heat to billow around. But on this one right here, you can see all 3 installed. With all 3, it gives you a little platform. You can set a pot or something on top and cook with it. With just 2 of them installed, and maybe even the 3rd one on top, you can capture all the heat and direct it right to you. So it's very warm. It compacts down to almost nothing, so you can always have it with you. And again, it's tripod torch. You can find it at tripodtorch.com.
A price point for your product, please.
Yeah, so here at the show, we're doing $20 off, so it's $169. We have a coupon code as well, SAVE20, and you can get that same price on our website.
That website one more time, please.
Tripodtorch.com.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.